All right, watch this. The perpetual motion machine is about to work. It actually managed to sustain itself. This machine supposedly produces unlimited electricity using nothing but springs. It looks convincing, but can it actually work? So we built one to find out. These are all the materials, costing less than $60. First, a steel frame was assembled to support the main shaft. Once that's done, 2 bearing mounts go on top. Next comes the crankshaft, starting with a few marked cuts. This shaft is cut into several smaller sections. Every 3 sections form one set with a bearing in the middle. Each set is welded onto the main shaft. Now the center sections of the main shaft can be removed. That turns the straight shaft into a crankshaft. Now hook strong springs onto the bearings. Then weld hooks onto both sides of the crankshaft. Hook on the springs. As the crankshaft turns, the springs stretch and store energy. Past dead center, they release energy and pull back. Repeat that cycle, and supposedly it can sustain itself. But one key part is still missing, a flywheel. The flywheel needs a coupler, so I'll machine one. All right, the coupler is done. Install the flywheel. This is a brushless permanent magnet generator. A belt drives it and powers this bulb. And the perpetual motion machine is complete. One hard spin, and the light turned on. But 3 seconds after letting go, everything stopped. Maybe the bulb is drawing too much power, so let's remove the bulb and run the generator unloaded. Even unloaded, it lasted only 10 seconds. Then we removed the generator entirely. It stopped after nearly 3 minutes, so perpetual motion isn't possible. Let's remove all springs and test again. Wait, without the springs it ran over 5 minutes. So the springs weren't helping, they were adding resistance. If perpetual motion is impossible, how did the original video fake it? Simple. A generator can also work as a motor. Power it externally, and it can drive the flywheel continuously. But this generator has no suitable controller. So I'll convert it into a 3-phase induction motor. Remove the old windings and rewind it with thinner copper wire. A 3-phase motor creates a rotating magnetic field that drives the rotor. So let's test it. Look! It's spinning! That proves the new windings work properly. Now I'll add a squirrel cage rotor for better efficiency. Once assembled, the 3-phase motor is ready. Now reinstall it and reconnect the bulb. A lathe drives a generator that powers the 3-phase motor. And it also lights the bulb. Now watch closely. Perpetual motion is coming. Give it a little push. There it goes. Now switch on perpetual mode. Well, what do you think? Now it's running in perpetual mode. And here's the voltage. The perpetual motion machine is sustaining itself. Cut the power and its speed quickly drops. Look, it stops almost immediately. There we go. Mystery solved. Our perpetual motion machine was a success.